Hi beauties, welcome back to Emeylizzy hair tutorials. If you are new here, my name is Emeylizzy, and on this channel I share simple and affordable ways to make your own wigs, care for your natural hair, look beautiful on budget. Today I'll be showing you a very detailed beginner friendly tutorial on how to ventilate a frontal wig using braided attachment. So grab your ventilating needle, lace and attachment. Let's begin. So before we start, here are the tools needed for this tutorial. Lace frontal, transparent or HD lace, wig block or mannequin head. You need T-pin to secure your lace. You need ventilating needle, either stick or the iron one, anyone is okay. You need hair strands that you are working with, human or synthetic, any color of your choice. You need transparent white paper, it will make you see the holes clearly. You also need scissors for cutting out wefts. Pin your lace frontal on the mannequin head using pin and add the transparent white paper as your background so that you'll be able to see the holes very clear. Also make sure the lace is stretched flat but not too tight. So now, first of all, let's understand what ventilating is all about. Ventilating simply means tying small strands of hair through the tiny holes of your lace using a ventilating needle. You are basically recreating the look of natural hair strands growing from the scalp. For beginners, we are starting with the single knot method because it's easier, lighter and give a natural result. The process goes like this. Number 1, pick a few strands of attachments, not too thick. Insert your needle under one hole of the lace. Hook the small hair strands, pull it halfway through. Twist the needle straight to form a small loop. Pull the short end through the loop to create a knot. Tighten gently, not too hard, to avoid tearing your lace. Practice this movement slowly until your hand gets used to it. Now that you understand the motion, let's start ventilating the first row. Start from one corner of your lace frontal. I recommend starting from the bottom so mistake can be easily corrected later. Work in straight lines across the lace. For beginners, ventilate every second hole instead of every single hole. This makes your work neater and faster. Keep your knots facing the same direction to give you a natural flow when combed. Always check your spacing. Even spacing give a professional finishing. Once you've done a few rows, you start to see how the hair density build up. Continue row by row, maintaining equal spacing and neat knots. For the front hairline, use fewer strands to make it look natural. Just 1 or 2 strands per hole is okay. For the middle and back areas, you can add a little more thickness. Remember to take short break to rest your fingers. Ventilating takes time, but patience brings perfection. So we'll keep on ventilating this row until this row is over, then we'll switch over to next row. Remember, we are taking it section by section. You cannot just pack everything so that the work will not be difficult for you. So you take it section by section or row by row. So stay tuned, keep on watching. When we are done with this row, I'll move over to the next row for further explanation.
There's no real reason. Keep your chin up, kid, like your mama did. I can fly, I can soar, I can touch the sky, so much more. Don't let them say you can't win the day. Don't let them tell you your dreams are see-through. Keep your chin up, kid, like your mama did. I can fly, I can soar, I can touch the sky, so much more. Don't let them say you can't win the dreams are see-through. Keep your chin up, kid.
So guys, we are done with first row. As you can see, you can see how natural it's looking. See the front line, see the hairline, everything is looking natural. If you place it on your hair, it's looking very natural. So when you are done with this first row, you comb it out, set aside and move over to the next row. Here I've done like up to 3 rows, so I'm almost at the second to the last row. This is how you keep on ventilating, and the more you are ventilating, the fuller it looks. So for the pattern I use diagonal method. Why? Diagonal method makes your work look natural, professional and neat. So this is the main reason I prefer this diagonal method. So any other method you think is okay for you, you can use, but me, I prefer the diagonal method. It makes my ventilating look natural and it makes me ventilate faster. So we keep on ventilating. We are almost coming to the end of the ventilation, so keep on ventilating till we get to the last row. Now let's talk about finishing touches and mistakes to avoid. Number one, don't use thick hair strands. They make the layers bulky, like make it too full. Don't put too tight, the layers might tear. Don't drag it like you are dragging, and you know that it's less, it can easily tear. Always check your spacing. If you are ventilating, you check if you are maintaining like you are maintaining one hole spacing, or if you are using two hole spacing. If you are using one line spacing, make sure you maintain the spacing, not one hole this and two holes this. Maintain your spacing. Comb gently as you go. As you are working on row by row, make sure you comb through anyone you ventilate. You comb so to avoid tangling. For areas that feel loose, double knot to secure them. If you ventilate and find out that the place is loose, double knot on top of it to tighten it. Once you are done, trim uneven ends and comb it to reveal your work. You can bleach or tint your layers later for more realistic scalp effects. So guys, this is the basic and how to ventilate. Stay tuned till the finished parts.
The world is crashing and the sky is flashing. Don't stop your dreaming, there's no real reason. Keep your chin up, kid, like your mama did. I can fly, I can soar, I can touch the sky and so much more. Don't let them say you can't win the day. Don't let them tell you your dreams are see-through. Keep your chin up, kid, like your mama did. I can fly, I can soar, I can touch the sky and so much more.
Yeah, and that is it, beauties. You just learn how to ventilate a frontal wig using braided attachment. Beginner friendly and beautiful. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Emeylizzy hair tutorial and tap the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
The world is crashing and the sky is flashing. Don't stop your dreaming, there's no real reason. Keep your chin up, kid, like your mama did. I can fly.